ट्रांजिटिव एंड इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, दोनों में बुनियादी फर्क जो है उसको हम देखेंगे। ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब नीड्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, they read a book. A book is object over here. They painted the house. The house is object. She made tea. He wrote many letters. And the main difference of intransitive verb is it needs no object. For example, we slept soundly the whole night. हम सारी रात बड़े आराम से सोए। He ran very fast to win the race. वो बहुत तेज भागा रेस को जीतने के लिए। Suddenly, the child woke up. I waited for an hour. अब कुछ और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव की। Tell इंट्रांजिटिव है, say इंट्रांजिटिव है, raise ट्रांजिटिव है, rise इंट्रांजिटिव है, lay transitive, lie intransitive, set and sat. Set can be used as transitive as well as intransitive. So transitive sentences needs noun, pronoun or object, but intransitive needs no object. Examples देखते हैं कुछ और। Kashif told Jamil he was tired. Not said over here. Number 2, hot air rises in the air. Number 3, shall I lay the books here? Number 4, sit down on the chair. Number 5, the sun sets in the west. Number 6, she sets the table beside the window. Now see some other forms of verbs, very important form of verbs. Rise, rose, risen and rising. This is intransitive verb from downward to upward movements. Like the sun rises in the east. Arise, arose, arise, arising means something happened. Many questions arose in the meeting. And the next one is raise, raised. This is transitive verb. Many issues were raised in the meeting. Rouse, to wake up. Arouse, this can be used as transitive as well as intransitive, especially to excite feelings, emotion, etc. Next, choose the correct form of verb. एक्सरसाइज है, इसमें आपने चूज करना है। The water dash higher and higher. The telephone dashed me from my sleep. I was dashed by the telephone from my sleep. Our strange behavior dashed our suspicion. Suspicion means shock. The whole community was dashed by the crime. And number 6 is he was dashed from a deep sleep by a sound noise. Answer to the exercise. The water rose higher and higher from downward to upward movement. पानी नीचे से ऊपर होता गया. उसकी सतह जो पानी की है वो नीचे से ऊपर होती है जब. It rose higher and higher. The telephone roused me from my sleep. टेलीफोन ने मुझे जगा दिया, मुझे नींद से जगा दिया. I was roused by the telephone from my sleep. Now it can be used as a passive voice. मुझे टेलीफोन की घंटी ने जगा दिया. Our strange behavior aroused our suspicion. The whole community was aroused by the crime. He was aroused from a deep sleep by a loud noise. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, अब इसे लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स से शेयर करें. And if you have any question, put your question in the comment box and I will make another video.